first, Laura. What is a full body scanner?
A full body scanner is a machine that transmits images of your body in 3D. And these images are really, really detailed, so they will see your body pretty much naked, okay? That's terrible! Yes, guided scanners will be in airports, and a person of the airport will see your body and will take images of that. That is wrong, okay?
But what if you don't want to pass through that full body scanner?
If you don't want to pass through the body scanner, it will happen something even worse. You have to pass through some people that will touch each inch of your body, everything. They won't do like they did last night. No, they will touch every part, every single part. That is disgusting.
Did you know what just happened? It is a person named Omar Farouk tried to pass explosives to an airplane. They detected in the airplane, and all people that was in it has a variable trying thing, but a cute sight. Those full bodies